Hey guys, what's up? So in this big video, I'm going to show you how you can get this charcoal filter on Instagram. So what you can do, make sure you are in Reel and find the effect icon, tap there, then go to the search on the left corner and search for charcoal. Okay, you'll get the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.